Larson Electronics EPL-FL26-LED-25 Compact Hazardous Location LED Work Light is FM approved Class 1 Division 1 Group C and D, FM 508 listed, and is ideal for close quarter work and inspection activities in hazardous locations requiring explosion-proof protection. The drop light's housing is constructed of non-sparking aluminum with molded bumper guards, an annealed glass tube shield, and integral lamp shock absorbers. This 5-watt explosion-proof LED hand lamp from Larson Electronics produces 400 lumens of pure LED illumination and comes complete with 25 feet of explosion-proof cord. This hazardous location hand lamp is designed to Article 500 of the National Electric Code. This explosion-proof LED hand lamp can be installed and used within the hazardous location area. The lamp assembly contains 24 individual LED diodes that produce an exceptionally bright output. The unit's internal LED circuitry automatically senses and adjusts the incoming current to the correct level, allowing the unit to run off of a variety of voltages ranging from 120 volts to 277 volts AC. The color temperature on this unit is 5600 K, and the rated lifespan of the LED's lamp assembly is approximately 50,000 hours. This light is suitable for use in areas where petrochemical vapors and various dusts are present. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.